We traditionally represent employers in litigation. We take sort of a holistic approach to litigation. When we look at a case for a client, we try to provide real-world kind of legal applications, not overly technical advice that the employer shakes his or her head and says, I don't really get it. You're not telling me what I need to do or how I can fix this. We try to give practical advice that navigates between the dangerous waters of the law. Employment litigation can really take a number of forms. You can have statutory litigation, which the claim is created under a federal or state statute, such as Title VII, Age Discrimination Employment Act. You can have tort-based litigation based on the common law of a state. That tends to be the wrongful termination, denial of benefits, that type of thing. Then you can have contractual litigation, which is an actual breach of an actual contract or a breach of implied contract of employment. Our firm has over a quarter century of experience in the Atlanta, Georgia market in representing employers. We have been honored in a number of occasions, both by Martindale-Hubbell with their highest rating for legal competency and ethics. We have been honored in consecutive years by Georgia Trend magazine in the areas of labor and employment law. And we have a reputation that we jealously guard, and that reputation is to be advocates for our clients. In the last 20 years that I've been practicing law in the state of Georgia, the number of type of claims that can be brought against an employer has at least doubled, if not more so. The number of federal and state statutes governing the workplace has at least doubled. It is now a legal minefield that employers practice in every day, and most of them don't even realize this as they go on their way. The best advice I can give to any employer, any potential client, is to become a client. The best money they will ever spend is to talk to a lawyer before they take actions, to make sure the things they're doing on a daily basis are in compliance with the law, so they don't make the silly mistakes that turn out to be hundreds of thousands of dollars.